Hi guys, welcome back. I am Vivek Singhal from tradingwithvivek.com, and today I am going to discuss the chart pattern which is being developed here in HDFC Life. It's a beautiful chart which is being developed here. If you can see and have a sense of it, if it does give us a breakout, then it is going to be huge up moves potential if it does so happen, and it is going to show you the rebound from here. Let me show you this. So I'll just plot a horizontal line here that is at 646. So if you have a look at that, at 646 it has touched three times. So once here, second here, and third here, and from here it is taking a rebound after making two back-to-back green candles. And the beauty of this back-to-back two green candles is the open, high, low and close of the second green candle is above the respective open, high, low and close. So the open of second candle is higher than open of first candle. The high is higher than the high of last candle, and the low is higher than the last candle, and close is higher than the last candle. So I do call it the V2 candles. This is the nomenclature I have given, so whatever we can call it, we can. So what is being developed here, the chart pattern is a head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder, and this is a big head, and this is the shoulder which is being developed. And having a look at the market, which is in a bullish mode, and when this HDFC Life has shown us two back-to-back green candles, so I'm assuming that this right shoulder is done, and means done, it means that it is taking a rebound from this level. And we can technically make a trade here itself, at here at this level where the market has closed. Means tomorrow in the morning we can go long, and we can take a stop loss here. So there are two ways in this kind of chart patterns, where either this is cup with handle, or this is head and shoulder pattern. If we can enter after the breakout, and we can enter before the breakout as well. So if we can sense that this head and shoulder, in case of head and shoulder, this right shoulder has started moving up, and it would give us a breakout, then the benefit before giving us a breakout and entering at this level is that the stop loss is very small, and risk reward ratio is always become in our favor greatly. So here the price is where it has closed is 604 today, and technically exactly 603.45, and the stop loss is 584. So this is only 20 points, and 20 points at 604 is almost 3%. But the potential, upside potential, is going to be very huge in this case. The depth of this head till neckline, and if we do take this depth, and after the breakout, if we do consider that where the target is going to be, so this is the great target which is going to be here. This is 951. So if we do enter here at 604, and we do take a stop loss of 584, and if this head and shoulder breakout is finally happen, then the potential to go up is 951. So from 604 to 951 is almost 350 points. 350 points at 604 is more than 50%. And as far as the company is concerned, this is a great company, no doubt. HDFC Life is one of the best companies of the best group in India. So there should not be any doubt. And this is a non-lending financial institution, where the money is not as at risk, as it is always said that in this kind of scenario where economy is not doing good and all, so NPAs of banks and NBFCs could go higher, but in case of non-lending financial institutions, we do understand that revenue may come down, but it is of course temporary in nature, and the future of these insurance companies are great. So this is one of the great opportunity which is available in the market at this point of time. This is the great company HDFC Life. This is a long base inverse head and shoulder which has already been developed. The right shoulder is moving upward from here. If we closely look at it, the double candle, I do call it back to back two green candles, I have given the name V2. So V2 candles have been made here. Why I'm saying V2 again and again? Because in coming videos, whenever I would be discussing this kind of chart, so I would be using this word, so it would be easier for the regular viewers to understand what I mean by these two back-to-back candles, and I won't require to explain that what does it mean. So I will explain, means I'm going to repeat it again for the more understanding. When the next green, there should be two green candles back to back, and the second green candles open, high, low and close should be higher than the previous open, high, low and close respectively, in the same sense as open should be higher than open, high should be higher than the high, and lower should be higher than the low, and the close should be higher than the close of the previous candle. So I do take it very bullish because it shows us the strength after a pullback from the same level where it has already you can see it has already come down below from the same level. So when we see a head and shoulder pattern or any other cup with handle pattern on any rectangle pattern where the neckline is exactly at the same level, so that is, I do understand that finally happened to give us a breakout, and of course this is a great company, so I do have a more conviction here. So this is a chart pattern which I have come across today, so I just shared with you. If you yet not have subscribed the channel, do subscribe, because I would keep on coming in to discuss a lot more chart patterns like this, so that we could find greater opportunities. But there is one disclaimer, that this chart pattern I have discussed here is for educational purpose, that how we can find great chart patterns, and it's not a recommendation to buy or sell. Please do your own due diligence. So this was for the day. I am Vivek Singhal from tradingwithvivek.com. Do subscribe, do like, and keep on coming in to understand a lot more chart patterns. Have a nice day and have a great trading. Thank you so much. Goodbye.